Phylogenetic trees. Phylogenetic trees help to illustrate evolution within a species or other unit being studied. For my phylogenetic tree, I wanted to focus on the question of what do I want to watch? I first broke the tree into two branches, movies and musicals. To place the OTUs on the tree, or operational taxonomic units, and the items we are tracing, I first started with the musical Grease. This was considered the outgroup as it was the most distantly related to all of the OTUs we are comparing. Since we have an outgroup, that means that this phylogenetic tree is rooted, as we can compare the OTUs to this outgroup to find the order in which they are related. The second of the two first branches was movies. From here, movies were split into a plot about princesses and non-princesses. The princess branch had two OTUs that were closely related, Cinderella and Beauty and the Beast. The princess branch is a good example of an internal node. It is the middle meeting point of Cinderella and Beauty and the Beast, used to show their most common ancestor, princesses. Each internal node represents a common ancestor to the two OTUs that branch off from it. Moving on to the non-princess plot branch, we can now split into two more branches, fictional characters and animals. The fictional character branch is then split into the movie robots and the characteristic of a plot with monsters. Monsters is the internal node and most common ancestor to the two movies Monsters, Inc. and Monsters University, which are the most closely related OTUs on the phylogenetic tree as they contain the same characters. Going back to the animal branch, that is split into underwater animals and flying animals. The flying animal branch leads to the B movie. The underwater animals branch out one last time based on if the movie is made by Disney or by DreamWorks. The Disney movie is Finding Nemo, while the DreamWorks movie is Shark Tales, as they both take place underwater. With all of the branching that is occurring, that illustrates that this phylogenetic tree is a cladogenesis as the lineage splits. An anagenesis would show evolution within a lineage over time without all of the branches. This is the phylogenetic tree of what I want to watch.